Good day. This is a simulation of an emergency shipboard meeting. The crew has discovered that water is entering the engine room, which may affect the ship operation. The captain immediately calls a meeting to address the emergency and assign tasks to the crew.
Yok, unang sir. Nalit po na sa tayo kapalit. Kapalit sir. Board.
Hello. Good day, officers. I call this emergency meeting because we have serious situation. According to the report, water is entering the engine room, and this may damage the machinery and affect the safety of the ship. This meeting is urgent because if the water level increases, the engine stops working. We need to act quickly and work together to solve problem. Now, let us discuss the situation. Chief Engineer, please explain the condition in the engine room.
Thank you, Captain. Based on my inspection, there is a small leak in one of the cooling pipes in the engine room. The water is slowly entering the components. If the leak continues, the water level rises and the equipment becomes damaged. If electrical equipment gets wet, it stops functioning immediately. Right now, the situation is still manageable, but we must repair the leak as soon as possible.
Captain, from the safety perspective, the situation can become dangerous if we do not respond immediately. If water reaches the electrical panels, it causes circuit. If crew members work in flooded area, there is sleeping or getting injured. We must secure the area and make sure that everyone follows safety procedures.
Captain, communication is also important in this situation. If we have an emergency on board, we inform the bridge and nearby vessels. If the situation becomes critical, we report it to the Coast Guard and Port Authority and stay ready to communicate any updates if necessary.
Thank you for your reports. Now I will assign the task to solve this problem. Please inspect the leaking pipe and begin the repairs immediately. If the pipe is damaged, replace the section of the pipe. Safety officer, secure the engine room area and ensure that all crew members wear proper safety equipment. If someone enters the engine room, make sure they follow safety procedure. Communication officer, monitor the communication channel and prepare to report the situation if needed. If the situation gets worse, inform the port authority immediately. Let us work quickly and efficiently. To summarize the discussion, the chief engineer will repair the leaking pipe, and the safety officer will secure the engine room and ensure the safety procedure. The communication officer will monitor and report communication if necessary. If we follow our procedure, we solve problems quickly and maintain safety on board. Thank you for everyone for your cooperation. This meeting is now concluded.
The crew immediately carries out their assigned tasks. Because of their quick response, teamwork, and proper communication, the situation is controlled and the ship continues its voyage safely.